So, hello friends and welcome to my channel. As I told you, I'll show you the unboxing of Oppo A9 2020. So let's begin. So here's the box of Oppo A9 2020. As you can see, it comes with 128 GB RAM. So as we open it, this case comes these are the manual of the smartphone, and this is the cover. As you can see, now I'm going to unlock the phone from the plastic wrapper. Here is the new phone, Oppo A9 2020. Here is the sound button, and here is this thing, unlocking button. It is a quad camera phone, and we can unlock from here as well. And this is 48 megapixel. I will show you unlocking the phone. So here you see the phone is quite big. The cover I'll put in. So I have put the cover, and look at this, the charging port, and this is the speakers, and here the earphone port. This comes with it as well, the earphones. I'm unboxing it and showing you. This is the earphones which come with the new Oppo A9 2020. And this is the charging port. This one. So now let's try putting it on charging. So I'm putting in the charger, and as you can see, it is on charging. And this is a very high quality earphone. Look at this, special earphones. We'll just put it on C. So this phone, as I told you, is marine green. Look at this special color. It is a new color in the market, and it's very beautiful. Marine green, and it's written here, designed for A series. This is a very nice mobile phone, and this phone has a wide screen, and it is very this size is very nice to attach in a selfie stick as well, because the selfie stick comes with, I think, this size, and it is perfect for here. And its price is 19,000, and it can be easily found in the market now, as it is running. So if you enjoyed this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.